Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to disable or turn off Instagram story comments updated version. So for us to be able to begin, just click onto the Instagram app or go ahead and log in onto your Instagram app. So once you're already onto the right account or you have verified that you're onto the right account, to turn off the Instagram story comments, just head onto the profile icon here onto the bottom part of the screen. Click onto the three dots in here, and then right after, if you scroll down here, you should be able to find in comments. So click onto comments in here, and then right after, you should be able to find in stories. So as you can see in here, we are currently onto the people you follow. So you could go ahead and turn that one off by clicking onto the off in here. So right after that, there shouldn't be an option already to type in or add in a comment onto your Instagram story. And that is how easy you could disable or turn off Instagram story comments, the updated version. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.